some girls are easy to talk to, but I'm very stuck up. So it's difficult. Sometimes in the club, when you're enjoying yourself, you really don't want someone to keep on bugging you. And if someone just said, yeah, you know, nicely, hi, how are you? You know, I would like to know you. It's fine. You can just say, I'll contact me on Facebook. We'll get to know each other, and then, you know, we can take up, like, exchange numbers later on. It depends how someone approaches you as well. And the way he approached me was quite a normal way of, hi, are you okay? Would you like a drink? I said, no, I'm fine. And he just didn't force himself, and he was really okay. And on the side, he was really down to earth, and family side, he was really good. And his background was from a very good family. So we got to know each other, and yeah, so I dated him. If he's really good looking, then yeah. Looks and success. Even it's not about successful, you know, like money-wise. Whatever job he's doing, if he knows what he's doing, and you know, he's confident and he can go further in his life, then that's good enough for me. I like guys in a suit.
I
don't know why, it's something to do. I like formal wear really well, so I like someone who's really nicely dressed and smart. It's really good. If I like a guy, I will go and say hi to him because I'm so confident. I just said, oh hi, sorry, we're checking you out for the